So you want to let people know about your donation goal? Well, this is the quick and simple way of how to do that. Hey guys, I'm OwenLord03 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your donation goal. Now what you want to do first off is you want to go into your browser on your Streamlabs dashboard, and then go on all widgets and come over to your donation goal here. Now what you want to do when you're on here, it'll give you a sample goal. This is basically just so you know what it looks like. This has got some of my settings in it, so I've changed the bar thickness and the font. Obviously you can do how you want with this. You can change the color, but obviously you're more focused on getting that goal set up. So obviously first off, maybe your goal could be like how this says a September goal, but maybe you're saving up for a new mic, and maybe that is $100, and you've already got 20 going towards that. But maybe your goal is January the 1st, 2021. Now this needs to be done in month, day, year. It's just the format they've set, and then you can click start goal, and then my goal, and that will be here. And obviously when you're in here you can change the layout and things like that. So the layout is basically where this will all sit, so you can have it standard so it sits above it, or I prefer it to be condensed. It just means it's all in one place and takes up as little room as possible. And then you can change the background color, the text color, bar color. So basically if your overlays have a specific color theme, it basically just means that you can follow that, and you can change the font. Obviously for me, I always use Techo. And then you can save your settings, and then if you go into your Streamlabs, it's really simple. All you've got to do is you've got to come in here and then click on donation goal, add source. I'm just going to call it donation goal, and now this should already have the one that I've just created in there. And then I do Alt and then change it so it changes the size, and so I just make it as small as possible on there, and I'll just bring it down into the bottom corner and make it that bit smaller. But I'm going to bring it over to the other corner because that's already got my chat box from the previous video. And now whenever someone donates, that's going to push that up a bit towards this goal. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm on other social medias like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Basically you name it, I'm probably on there. So feel free to send me a message, ask if you've got any questions about anything. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this with your friends if they need help with this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.